How to fix source bar on TikTok. So you might be facing this issue because you are not running the latest version of the app. In order to check it out, head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for TikTok. Simply move into this app. Right here, you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're having the issue. In this case, tap on update and update your app. Once the application is up to date, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into general, and then head over to iPhone stories. In this page, scroll down and simply move into the application TikTok. Once you're in here, you have to tap on offload app, and then once again click on offload app. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. Even after this, if you're having the issue, then what you can do is simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has fixed the issue. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix source bar on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.